In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Todoist habit tracker with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned Todoist user or just getting started, integrating the habit tracker can significantly boost your productivity. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Todoist login page. Simply type in app.todoist.com/login and you'll be directed to their secure login portal. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your login credentials. If you already have a Todoist account, go ahead and type in your email address in the designated field. After you've done that, move on to typing your password. It's important to ensure that both your email and password are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you find it more convenient, you can opt to log in using one of the social sign-in options like Google, Facebook or Apple. Just click on continue with Google, continue with Facebook or continue with Apple for a seamless login experience. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top left corner of the screen where your avatar is located. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. It's where all the magic happens, so feel free to explore the different tabs available. The next step is crucial to connect your habit tracking feature. You'll need to click on the Integrations tab, which, as the name suggests, is home to all the integrations available for your Todoist account. After clicking the Integrations tab, you'll then see the Browse option at the top of the Integration Settings page. Click on Browse to view the various integration possibilities. Here is where you'll find the Habit Tracker, an invaluable tool for keeping track of daily and weekly habits. Scroll through the list of available integrations until you find the Habit Tracker. Once you see it, select it by clicking on it. Now you're almost there. Click on the Add button to begin the integration process. This will set in motion the steps required to activate the Habit Tracker. To finalize your actions, you'll be prompted with a confirmation window. Make sure to click Confirm to complete the integration. Now the habit tracker is successfully added to your Todoist experience. You can begin setting your goals and checking off habits as you progress. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to habits, and with Todoist habit tracker, you'll have an efficient way to maintain and track your daily and weekly goals. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to enhance your productivity with Todoist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.